Yo, Upper Lake trip. Last time I was up here was with Adon, you know Adon, and we caught trout. And we found a freaking car. That video actually did pretty good, but we're gonna try to find some bass. We're like probably post spawn. We could find some beds maybe today. I don't know if there'll be beds, but we're gonna look. A little late morning trip, so see you guys. Got the boondock, little PB&J right now. These rocks right here. It's a steep one, huh? Oh, I feel like I just got nipped. Yep, I got one. Came back for it. Little dude. Little smallie, just like I thought. Yeah. Smallie town.
He hammered it.
Smallie town.
That's
well,
awesome.
Smallie's had a little spawn. First smallie of the year. They're like tick, 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 tick. These little guys. Love to see that. That's what we want to see up here.
You know, to the airport.
Got one.
Hammered it.
Do I? No, maybe I don't. Oh yeah, I do. It was a weird deal. That's just another little smallie. A little bigger, but look at these guys. Had a good spawn over here. Oh, it's funny.
That's good. C-130.
Look at that little smallie. Pretty guy. Oh yeah.
Bean.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, dude. Okay. Open my bail real quick. Oh yeah. Nice one. Yes, sir. Heck yeah. Big old mouth.
Fat girl.
Yeah, dude. Let's go. Let's go.
Right.
Nice one.
Nice.
All right. Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. Heck yeah, there's smallies everywhere though, dude. Like every other cast.
I was grabbing my phone.
They're loaded, dude. Got one.
Got one?
Yep. Still a bad bite. Oh, it's all good.
Oh yeah, he's
Thank you.
guy.
This is it.
Little
Almost
guy.
like a smallie, but hey, I'll take a largie. Let's go, baby.
Take it.
Thanks, man.
Caught up on, dude.
Yes, sir. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that tail, dude. His tail got munched. Largie. Let's go. Tail's like chomped on. Take it. All right, we're getting bit. Just what I was hoping for. We're just out here throwing the drop shots around. Don's got the new secret bait up there. And getting hit like every cast of it. Bunch of little smallies, getting some largies now, 1-pounders. Good sign. So
was a tag. They dropped down to 21.
Nice.
And they were, and I freed them.
felt that way. And a little guy though. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Look at you. Oh no, no. Oh, okay. It's like a bait fish. Look at that awesome smallie. There's a better fish. Nope, it's not.
Oh my God.
It feels better when you're catching those little itty bitty babies.
Wow.
Look at all those guys down there. Okay. Got you.
That's a better size fish.
Hey. That's nuts. I got bit. That's funny. A little pause and he came back. Oh no, my swim bag. Ah, Kitech. Look at it go down. Largy. That was, they're definitely like pushing just a touch deeper. Yeah. Little guy. Real little guy. You almost hardly even feel it. Holy crap. These smallies though, they had a great spawn. Heck yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna try a deep cast. I'm gonna go way out there. Let it just sit while we're moving and everything. Oh, it's got hit. Out deep. Isn't that funny? Right when it started moving. Not big though at all. Oh, you chased yours? Chased it. A little bit bigger, Smallie. Right in that deep zone. Is he really? Oh, look at that, guys. I'm gonna take it.
It's a ring, it's a trout.
Oh, no way.
Yes, it's a trout.
Yeah.
Thursday, yeah.
Oh. Ooh, there we go. Nope. He pulled though. I mean, it's a little bigger. Is that a large? Ah, not my thing. It's a large. Yeah, buddy.
Pretty color.
Yeah, this lake is doing great, guys. Castaic Upper, heck yeah. Yeesh. Still so many bites. There's trout chasing over here. All these little smallies, some largies. It's been a blast. See if I can. Heck yeah. Smallie?
I'm good.
Heck yeah.
Fire up a bit. Good size.
Ooh, Smallie, let's go. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Look at those eyes. Those are the best right there. Doesn't get any better. Ooh, there we go. I don't think it's too good. But
Oh no, large.
I think it might be falling. Is it? Look at these guys fight so hard.
Might be the way that it's fighting. It could be a small.
Yeah, I think it's a small. It looks a little bronze to me. Yeah. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Getting a little bigger down here. Yeah. Let's go, baby.
Lots. Them letting water in Elderberry.
Maybe. Smallie getting bigger. Love them. Alright, so we're just making our way around here, get the numbers, but finally got a couple better smallmouth, closer to 1 pound range, just a little bigger than little babies, but not beat catching smallies. Another large though in the boat. Nice. Smallie, another smallie. Way up shallow too. Heck yeah. Oh, it's a little nicer one. Pretty smallie. Oh, I think I just got bit too. Did I? No. They won't stop. Woo.
Pretty girl.
Wow. Nice smallie, guys. It's fun right there. Got the little bass tricks.
Oh, little tube?
Just a little swimmer. It's a Matty Wong, like shad one or whatever. Got a fish on it. Little smallie on the little tree. They got some nice weight too. Alright. Oh, let's go. I gotta eat that dust. Yes, dude. Woo! Let's go, baby. Yes. Yes.
First cast.
Look at that smallie on the bass tricks, guys.
Look at it.
It's got the camo.
Pretty, bro.
The camo tiger smallie. Let's go. Love that. Yeah. Let's go. All right, guys, check that out. On that little bass tricks right next to that little bush, it's a nice little fat. Once on the pounder, but that's what we want to catch. Let's go. Later, girl. Yeah. Oh! Oh!
He's gonna get him. Oh. Now he's just playing.
Let's go! We watched it happen right in front of us. the bass tricks.
Dude, how funny.
That's what you need, just a little swimmer, you know?
Oh my god.
Guys, beautiful trout too. Just let's go. We got the trifecta.
Oh my god.
Yes, dude.
That's so funny, dude.
Woo.
We just watched him take. Oh my god.
Dude, that was so cool. It's a fat one.
That's a pretty fish.
Check it out on the bass tricks. We watched it get eaten by this trout right up on top. It followed, and then I freaking just paused it, and boom.
Done.
Check it out, guys, on that bass tricks. Let's try it out of here. Crazy, I broke off my drop shot, so switching the Ned rig, got one bite, and then we saw fish back here, a little blow up, but saw the trout. Freaking tied whatever I had on. I had a little bass tricks. I think it's that Matty Wong color to the little 1/4 ounce jig head, and caught the smallie off that little tree right away, and then watched that trout. Just threw it at it, swam, pause, and then you just see it, boom, freaking hit it. And it's like a nice 2-pound trout. So we got the boat trifecta, bro. Let's go. Good numbers today, though. I don't know. We've caught 80 fish today. No, I don't know. But no, we caught some good numbers. So it's a good Upper Lake trip. Oh, there's a fish.
Followed it?
It went right past my bait. It wasn't a trout, though. Oh, here's some. Look at him.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a good one.
They're loving this water. Oh, he followed mine. They're on it. Oh, he just tapped it. Ooh, nice. We got a good striper, boys. And we got...
Oh, no.
Off?
Yep.
Sucker.
Off.
Oh, that was a good one, too. Keep trying. A little outro here. So, yeah. Fun bite. Good numbers. Probably close to 30 fish total for us. Bunch of baby smallies. Largemouth. And then we tried to find those striper at the end. We were on this big school. We were dropping everything we could on them, and Don got bit, got halfway to the boat, and then I got tapped twice. But good bite up here. Can't wait to get back up here again with my boat and catch some more. But thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.